Here at a pilot in California. I see this little tree, little bush or something. I don't know what it is, but at least it's kind of nice. Got some buds here. Alright. See truck backing up. Alright, truck stop. Another little tree right there. And let's see if you can see that mountain view back there. There you go. Oh, now the truck blocking it, but a mountain view there. You turn around here, you see another mountain view. That's up here in California. So nice little views over here by like Victorville. So that's that. Little something for you guys.